That's a crazy looking cloud. What are you doing? I'll turn every rock over until I find a frog.
Like, did it dig down and hide in the dirt?
I don't know. Where do the frogs go during the day? Is there a frog in there?
There's no frog in here. Unless
what?
there's a frog in there. Now watch me skip this rock.
Okay, hold on, wait. Do it, sister!
Oh, it actually worked.
You got like a slidey. That's like a slider.
Big jumper. All right, one more.
One more.
What do you think?
That was better.
Thank you. One, two, three.
And you say, as long as I'm here, no one can hurt me. Don't wanna lie here, but you can learn to. If I could change the you see yourself, you wouldn't wonder why they say that you don't deserve me.
Where have I been? Oh, great question. Sad. That's where I've been. I have been really struggling to do anything related to taking care of myself recently. It's been kind of hard with starting work too. Although work's been good, like it's been nice to have that distraction back in my life, but I'm really like having a hard time. I haven't filmed anything in a while, and I'm feeling good enough today that I want to show you all around where I'm living right now before I end up in my final spot and getting back into the day-to-day of like what I'm doing with my life. But yeah, I haven't wanted to spend any time on my computer or my phone editing, anything like that, so I'm really behind. I don't know what order in which all of my stuff is I'm going to release my stuff, because I actually have a lot of video pre-recorded from when I was in Hawaii and I want to share that with you all, but I like struggle to have the mental capacity to want to edit any of it, even though it's so cool and I can't wait to show you. So maybe this will come out first, maybe not, I don't know. I'll decide when I decide to do it. Good news though is that I have started therapy, and I'm still really in the basic part of doing it. Like, I've only had one session, but I'm happy that I took those first steps to do it. And I'm proud of myself because I feel like I told myself I was going to do that at this time last year, and then I just didn't because I kind of went back to work and I felt better. And yeah, I mean, I was feeling better. Like, I was feeling positive about myself and where I was at, but this time of year is just really hard for me because last year was when a lot of traumatic stuff happened to me, and I feel like I'm just remembering it, my body's remembering it, and it's taken a emotional and physical toll on me. So I need help, and I'm getting help, and it makes me really happy to be able to say that, even if the days are really hard right now. So that's been good, and I've just been kind of focusing on looking inward and taking care of myself in just the basic format, you know, brushing my teeth, getting up, brushing my hair, which I never do. Like, obviously my hair looks crazy right now. And yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen. I think I'm just gonna do what I feel like I have the capacity to do and go from there. So yeah, one of the things I've really been struggling with outside of being depressed and just like moving around a bunch and being stressed is I've been getting like these horrible headaches every day. I'm pretty prone to getting chronic bad headaches, but I've been getting like migraines, like debilitating migraines, to the point where I can't sit up, I can't lay down, I can't be in a bright room, I can't do anything, I can't keep down food, I feel nauseous all the time, and it's just like so taxing on top of being emotionally unstable. Because if you know me, like, I cry so much all the time, no matter what, and it's just like I've been really a mess, and I think it's just because I'm stressed out, like constantly moving around. It's been really fun hanging out with my friends and everything, and I love seeing everybody, but after mid-April or so, which is kind of when I stopped filming, my last video was the end of March, beginning of April. Like, I think April 2nd or something like that was the last day of my last video. I was actually like a few weeks ahead in terms of editing and stuff, so I'd have like a little bit of buffer room in case I didn't want to record one of those weeks. So all the stuff that you guys were seeing was actually from like 3 or 4 weeks ago. And then yeah, I just haven't been able to do anything since like the middle of April. I recorded all of that stuff in Hawaii and it was awesome, but it just, like, when I was there, I kind of like mentally broke apart, and it was so sad because I was in such a beautiful place and I was really loving what I was doing there, but I just didn't feel happy, and I felt like I was like on the precipice of a mental breakdown. And then when I got back here, I kind of just like snapped. So, and then I got the crazy headaches too, and they just like weren't going away, and I felt like I was a zombie. Like, I would wake up every day and I like couldn't do anything at all. Could barely drink water. I would just like want to be in the shower the whole time. It was the only thing that made me feel an ounce, a fraction of a bit better. But I couldn't do that the whole time. And then after I left the Bay Area, you know, I've been like out of my car starting work stuff and everything, which has been good. But I'm just ready to kind of plant myself where I'm going to be for the remainder of the summer and chill. Because I need a home base. I need to put roots down somewhere for a few months and just like get a bunch of shit out of my car. Like, I have to like move everything around in my car every day in order to sleep in it when I'm traveling with everything I own, and it doesn't take that long, but like it gets old and some days I just really don't want to do it. Yeah, I'm getting pretty tired of it, so just like another week and I should be where I'm gonna be going if the weather is okay, and then yeah, we'll see what happens.